effective. Defective. Well, it was worth a try. Let me see if I can get my money back. Other percentage that's not as good, and some people complain that this rips your skin off, and you know, I hope it doesn't do that to me, because I actually like my skin. It comes with these finishing wipes. Yeah, but so I showered. I exfoliate with like this exfoliating wash rag, and you know, I'm not gonna get all into the fancy stuff right now. That's gonna be for the next video. But I just want to get into testing this because I'm eager to see what this is about. So apparently I gotta rub it. Well, I'm gonna cut it first. I guess I'm gonna test it on my thighs. I'm in shorts, so I'm gonna test it on my little hairy. We're gonna do the rip off now. Got my other phone to record because the other one was dying. So we're gonna just like, you know, whatever. See what's popping. Oh, it's so. Is it that bad? Do I gotta do this? I don't want to do it. Oh, do I gotta do it faster? We're gonna still focus on the same leg, but we're gonna go fuck it, let's see. Ready? One. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. Oh, that's real. Oh. Okay. Ready, set. Oh. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Oh, good Lord. Oh, this is... Ready, set. And... I'm too scared. Okay, so it works a bit. Don't use these. No, for me, dog. It's a sticky no for me. Literally, look. It hurts to peel my hand off. Oh no. It's a... Ow. Oh, but I'm getting it off. I'm on... Okay, real quick. I got some vitamin E oil. I just feel like it'll combat the stickiness, and I think it's working. I just honestly wanted something to like get rid of that feeling, that sticky, disgusting feeling off of my hands and my leg, and I think it's working. Not to say I'm gonna jump right back into waxing myself, but look at my poor skin, it's pink now.